Hello! Today we're going to take a different kind of trip. We're going to travel on the train. Yeah! Trains are a lot of fun. So, we're going to go ahead and get ready to go. Are you ready? Let's go! So, we want to make sure we lock our house nice and tight, and then we gotta go. Now today, we're not gonna take the car. Remember, we're gonna take the train. The subway system is a very simple way to avoid traffic, and it's more efficient. In order to get onto the subway system, you need to buy a ticket. And you need to put your coins in here so that you can get your ticket out of here. Once you have your ticket, you come over to the turnstile and you present your ticket and it lets you through. Turnstiles have been in use since the beginning of the 1900s to keep control over who enters. Each ticket is different and good for one trip. Now we are in the subway station, and this is where we need to wait for our train to arrive. Do you want to wait with me? Yeah. While we wait, remember, many people ride the train every day, okay? Many people ride the train every day. A subway system is an underground form of transportation. To get there, oftentimes, you need to be indoors and outdoors. Let's get there. Come on. Sometimes subway systems also take you above ground, so you can catch a different train. Come on. All subway stations typically have a map, like the one you see above my head, right here. This shows you which station you are currently at and which station is in either direction. Remember, the subway system is made up of trains going in all directions. Say that with me. Trains going in all directions. This station is called Washington. Yeah. Here's a map of a subway station. Do you know which way you would have to go? Ooh. Here's a fun fact. People have been using trains as public transportation for almost 200 years. Yeah. Here's a look at a locomotive from the 1800s. Yeah. Well, as you can see, it's now night out. Some trains run all day and all night, depending on the city. Well, thank you for coming on today's field trip. Now I have to say goodbye. Thanks for riding the subway, and be safe. Bye-bye. Here are the people waiting for the subway. Here we see a bench where you can sit down after a long day and wait for your train. In most cases, you need to pay with coins. Here's that wonderful ticket that will get you in the subway system. Thanks for tuning in to this Vipx field trip. Don't forget to study your vocabulary, the Fieldtrip subway system. Now I would like to say goodbye. practice the vocabulary, and I'll see you next time. Bye.